Ever heard of the patent that tried to rewrite time? Back in 1892, long before Einstein, an inventor filed a patent for a causal reversal engine. It was a machine designed to travel through time, powered by something he called disagreement between observers. The strange part? His diagrams looked exactly like quantum entanglement, a concept science wouldn't discover for decades. The patent office, acting on a secret tip, stamped it approved for non-existent USC and buried it deep in their archives. But you can't bury an idea forever. Fragments of this impossible machine started appearing in the dreams of inventors all over the world. Today, rogue engineers trying to rebuild it are causing strange glitches like clocks in their labs suddenly running backward. The patent described time not as a river, but as a document waiting to be revised. So, was this inventor too early? Or was he right on time? Subscribe for more strange history.